Guys, we're going in to see if they have any sales attached to this, but hey, let's go. Oh, look at that, 50% off Christmas decor, 40% off fall. Let's go. Hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, guys, for Hobby Lobby. Nice fall price, $3. This will make a good Halloween or Christmas. I like that. It's a whole little, it's the whole thing. It's 50% off. Whoa, it's $199, so it's $100. 50% all the. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. So one of my Christmas trees is gonna be black and white. The little one in the corner. So my mother said black, white, and red. This was my theme last year. My whole house was this truck, but not this year. I gotta go a little more brighter. I also like this. I like that. Yeah, 50% off. That's a good thing. The gingerbread houses. The reindeer sleigh rides. That'll be a good one too. 29. So that's all of this stuff 50% off. All of it. So I'm still thinking. The ornaments. That's cute. Look, there's a lot of stockings. And I remember 50% off, guys. All of it. That's new because me and my mother be in here a lot. That's new too. Yeah. The little gathering of those. Let me see what else. I don't know. I think that's new, if I'm not mistaken.
Teacher, yeah.
Yeah, that's new. A lot of it is about teachers and stuff this year.
Well,
look at I love ballet.
This stuff.
And it's got a little thing that drop off. Hey, the Christmas trees. The Christmas trees. That's a good day off. Now it does matter if you use fresh trees, then this ain't the place. But real fake trees, yes, right here. Goodbye. A couple of these. Hey, look at this llama.
Oh, they got a llama.
They have a llama, and that wasn't here a couple of weeks ago. $4.99, so it's $2.50 or $3. That was good. That's cannolis. Yeah, those are good. That's the avocado. I think I had this from last year. I got one of those. That's pretty too. Santa's. He kind of look like a reindeer. What? They got elves this year. Big ones. Don't they? They huge. Look, this one have on sandals. Look, that's cute. That flocked tree. That one is originally $4.99. It's $2.49. That's a good one. Oh, look at this guy.
I might spray.
That'd be cute.
Kisses was my thing.
Balls 50%. All of that. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That's gorgeous. It's a lot of them. But everything again 50% off. I actually like these. Look how big he is. $39, so he ain't number $20 today. That's pretty. There's a door sign. Okay, so get a good look at this because I probably will do a DIY on this door sign right here. It's a reef, but it's a sled. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I want y'all to see. Look at that. All 50% off. Bright pink, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm not really into the gold. I don't really do a lot of gold because it don't look fun to me, so I don't do it. But hey, that's a nice thing. These would be nice DIYs too for me to do. That's a nice thing. It's cute. So look at this guy. And that is gorgeous.
Now this would be pretty under my tree because
that'll be gorgeous.
Gonna have like food, like candy.
That's nice. I love all of that. All of that is nice right there. What is this? What is this? Is that a gingerbread made out of that garland? That's what it looked like. Okay. Okay, guys, my favorite. I have so many stockings, but the kids get to pick a stocking out every year. And some of it kind of getting like one side they got kind of like a farm feel stocking. See, they kind of farmy.
It is, but it's dark.
It is dark. I was just about to say that. And then on this side is it's Christmas. I like this. Oh, that's gorgeous, and that's easy to make too. That's made out of that felt stuff. That's all it is. Yeah, look at that. I like this too. It's another good DIY. Could use an old sweater, and hot, and glue it together. Or you could use yarn and do that circle and twine with the material. And my boys usually pick out something like this, superhero stuff. And that'll be cute for India, but she might think it's a baby doll. Here's single decorations, guys. You could do a lot of wreaths. Another farm field section, but you could do a lot of wreaths. You could do individual stakes for the trees, which I use a lot of those. I'm gonna do a tree decorating deal. Here's the farm field snowman, like this. This is like the farm house. Yeah, I like that. That is cute. Now that's gorgeous right there. I like that. That's what I was telling Gina. Is you cry? Oh, this is new. This new.
I'm gonna do him this year.
I like that. That's new. Let me see how much it costs. 17, and it's 50% off. It's about $8. I got the bags.
Okay.
Mother, that'll look nice up in under your tree.
It is.
Those bags. I want the camper. Look at the camper. Now,
You can still do some of the tree because you got one.
yeah,
You got 3 trees.
so I'm gonna do something with. I'm gonna take the camper.
And put it up there upstairs on the kids' big tree.
Look at that. I like that. Guys, 50% off. This is a Hobby Lobby Christmas bag, and I love Hobby Lobby. Look, and now that's just wood. That's gonna be another DIY deluxe. Look at that. Get a good look at it, guys, and be looking for me to do a DIY on it. Okay. Oh, mother, look at that. Look at the camper. Look at the camper, guys. I'm in love with the camper. So it's actually $7 because it's $12.99. So it's $6.50. I really need to be collecting up me some stuff. I wonder how long this sale will go on. Let me see. It does not say. Sometimes I can go on the back. It don't say. Guys, look at these black Christmas trees. I like that too. Hey guys, this Hobby Lobby Christmas.
Oh, there you go, some black trees you can mount
Yeah.
around
Around my black and white tree. Yes. And look at the mailbox, the letter to Santa. And how much is this one? $24. So what it's like 20. We'll have so many napkins, and we'll have so many cloths. You could take any type of tiles. This tiles has got Christmas on them, and stuff them and make them into pillows. So you know you'll be seeing that during one of my DIYs. Soon it will be Christmas Day. I love that. Oh, look at this birdhouse. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's a birdhouse, Mother. You love birdhouses. Oh. Okay, guys, so y'all gotta drop me a comment. We voting for my mother. These Merry Christmas bags. She want her tree. What color?
It's gonna be like food.
Like a food color. But those are like reindeer bags.
So I'm gonna have decoration
Coal.
on.
Yes.
all kind of ornaments.
So she want all kind of ornaments, but she do kind of like a farmy feel. She don't like I do bright stuff because of the kids. But my mother, her trees always look nice and settled trees. So that's what she looking. So let me know, guys. Drop your comment. And you all know the Grinch. The Grinch don't never go out of business. Ever. The Grinch is never out of style. All of you people that do these farm fields, look at all of this. It's made out of tin. You can make a big circle, a little circle, put a hat on it. That I like these too.
Yeah.
I think
You know,
those
I
will be
always
cute
like
with
to give-
letters to Santa out
give
in them.
boxes.
Okay. Sweater material again, but if they like the little heavy bottom to sit on shelf, that's gorgeous. It's made out of fur. Gift boxes. Oh wow. Let me show you that. It's made out of fur. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's one. That's pretty. Remember 50% off. Okay guys, Christmas envelope stuffers. All you want to make Christmas envelopes that I make. This would be perfect. 50% off. Look at that, guys. These are those stickers. They 349, but remember they 50% off. So nice, nice, nice. My mother loved those little men. And there's another set. I'm grabbing these today if I buy something. Look, they campers. All kind of campers. Oh, that's another set that could go on my envelopes. I know. Not that I need them. The skates and the shoes, 50% off. And then the different years. Oh, here, this one, of course. Oh, okay, so you could DIY this and do it yourself. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. Perfect, 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 perfect. So this is what's going on, guys. This is Hobby Lobby, 50% off, 50% off Hobby Lobby Christmas event. Grab, run, because people are in here with buggies loaded down, getting stuff. All of it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share this channel, and tell me how you like the Hobby Lobby event. Oh my goodness. Hobby Lobby. Bye.